All right, everybody, the next thing we're gonna go over is how to defend against a double leg shot. So double leg, obviously it's in the name, he's attacking both of your legs, and more importantly, he's attacking both of your hips. So we'll see how to defend that. All right, so June takes a double leg shot. Right away, I have to sprawl. And again, you'll notice right away, I'm addressing the head, and I have my whizzer, just like we've been doing all along. You'll notice the whizzer is gonna be a common theme on defense. It's a very important, very effective move. And you'll see it all across grappling. It's used defensively, it's used offensively. It's very, very important and very effective. So right away, I sprawl. I'm getting both of my hips back, both of my legs back, right? Because he's attacking both as opposed to just one side. So from here, same thing. I'm going to stuff the head. I'm going to attack the whizzer on the far side, and I'm just going to shift my hips into that whizzer. Okay, turn around this way so we can just show from this angle. Shoot the double leg. I'm sprawling. Notice, both hips, both legs are back. And again, I'm on my toes, right? I'm never on my knees. There's no pressure on my opponent here. So I always want to be on my toes, putting all my weight on my opponent. I'm attacking my whizzer here. And then once I have the whizzer, I'm just going to hip into that whizzer. You notice it breaks his grip. And I can take his back. All right? Thank you, guys.